If you've been looking for a fast and reliable way to deliver event reminders and follow-ups automatically, you're in the right place. I've tested all the major tools out there, and I'll show you exactly how to set this up in under 3 minutes. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend, linked in the description, just for viewers of my channel. Whether you're hosting webinars, appointments, or local events, sending reminders and follow-ups manually is not scalable. People miss things, you get overwhelmed, but with the software we're using, you can automate the entire process once and never worry about it again. Here's how it works. First, log into the software using the link in the description. Once you're in, go to the Events or Appointments section. Create your event, name it, set the time and date, and define any buffer or cancellation rules if needed. Next, head over to the Workflows or Automation tab. This is where the magic happens. Start a new workflow and set the trigger as event scheduled or appointment booked. This will make sure the automation only runs when someone actually books or registers. Now we're going to add the reminder messages. Add a send email step and type out your reminder. Keep it short, include the event time, location, or link, and maybe a line encouraging them not to miss it. Schedule this to go out 24 hours before the event. Add another one for 1 hour before the event. You can do the same thing with SMS if you've enabled texting. Then, let's handle follow-ups. Add a delay of, say, 1 hour after the event ends. Then add a send email step, thanking them for attending, or if they missed it, encouraging them to reschedule or watch a replay. You can even segment this based on attendance if your software tracks it. You can test the workflow with a sample event to make sure everything fires correctly: email, text, follow-up, the whole flow. Once it works, turn it on and you're done. Now your event reminders and follow-ups are delivered automatically without you lifting a finger. If you want to follow along or try this for your next event, I recommend grabbing the free trial in the description. It's exclusive to Dan Thorne viewers and gives you full access to everything I just showed. The key takeaway here is this: automation isn't just a time saver, it drastically increases your attendance rates and keeps your brand looking professional. To recap, we created the event, triggered a workflow when someone booked, added reminder emails and texts, and sent a follow-up afterward. Don't forget, this only works if you actually implement it. So go ahead, check out the exclusive free trial below and set it up now while it's fresh in your mind. You'll never want to go back to manual reminders again.